Hey everybody, Ted with Quality Home Inspections. So we got a tough one here today in Bear, and it's an interesting find. So let me flip this camera around. I'm gonna give you a quick overview of what I found. So I'm down here in this half bathroom, and I noticed all that water stainage on an outside wall. And my first thought was, well, maybe it's the plumbing, could be the waistline. There is a leak on that waistline, but I ruled that out, and I'm going to show you why. But when I hit it with my moisture meter, it's saturated. I have some mold on the doors right there, right there. So I'm going to pause this real quick, and I'm going to take you outside, and I'm going to show you exactly what I found. Okay, back outside. And so, turn that, there we go. All right, so turn that on. You see that's leaking behind the wall. That's not it. And I'm right on the outside wall of that bathroom. And this is the problem right there. So basically, that crack goes all the way through and into the basement and causing that water entry. So I'm gonna recommend a foundation guy come out and epoxy seal that area, but that was a tough one. I had to get it with my infrared and moisture meter, so I had to really dig into that bad boy. But needless to say, cabinet's gonna have to be removed, drywall cut out, epoxy seal it, put everything back together. Not gonna be a cheap fix. So just wanted to point that out. Thanks for watching. This is Ted with Quality Home Inspections. You can catch us on the internet at inspectdelaware.com or 302-883-8797. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.